The jury is still deliberating in the Alex Jones defamation trial, so they've been asked to decide how much the Infowars host must pay to parents who lost their son in the Sandy Hook shooting for his claims the shooting was fake. KXAN's Avery Travis joining us this afternoon with the latest from the courthouse. Avery.
Jennifer, we're expecting one of two verdicts. That verdict that we're waiting on today could come down at any minute. That verdict is a ruling on how much actual harm Jones and his company caused for the parents who filed in this case, not only for their reputations, but also emotional anguish. These plaintiffs have asked for $150 million in damages, $1 for each of them, representing the 75 million people they say believed Sandy Hook was or could have been a hoax. Jones told us last night he's made peace with the families. His attorneys argued in court, though, there hasn't been enough evidence to prove his words were the source of the emotional damages they suffered.
But it wasn't intentional. And you can't differentiate their pain from their son being killed with me questioning things. And the idea that I'm the progenitor that first thought all these anomalies up is simply not true.
I don't think Mr. Jones has made any kind of peace with these parents, and they're not interested in that. Not at all. It's time for a reckoning to happen, and then they can move on.
That was Mark Bankston. He's the attorney for the family. He says that while his clients may forgive Mr. Jones, that's a different thing than holding him accountable.
So Avery, you mentioned there will be a second verdict in this case?
Yes, we're expecting that later on this week. That will actually be the amount of damages the jury believes is owed to the families, but for punitive damages. That means how much Mr. Jones owes as punishment for what he said and the words that were said on his show. Now, the jury has not heard anything about Jones' net worth. They will hear some expert testimony from a financial expert after the first verdict, but before they deliver that second verdict.
And Avery, we're learning more about Jones's text messages and that cell data that was accidentally sent from his defense counsel to the opposing side. What's the latest on that?
This morning, it was confirmed by the family's attorney that the U.S. House Committee investigating the Capitol riots on January 6, 2021 has asked for those materials. They say that they are willing and ready to turn those over, but Jones' attorney has asked for a ruling from the judge. He says he wants some or all of that marked confidential. He's expected to go through that now and begin marking what he believes is privileged. The plaintiff's attorneys say that that should have been done long ago. We're still waiting on an official order from the judge as it relates to those materials, and we'll keep you updated here from the courthouse. Reporting live, Avery Travis, KXAN News.
All right, Avery, thanks so much. A Russian judge says